I started to lose my hair actually when I was 16 or 17, so I would say by I was 25 I had no other choice than just a very short haircut. Cochrane Co was the salon that with the best, I would say, reputation, and I was quite keen also to choose a salon where I would have like some stylist expertise, because when you start to wear a system that you've never wear before and you had the haircut I had for like so many years, you need someone to advise you on the best styling options for you. I really want to use like the hair system as a fashion accessory. I like to have like this versatility to change the style and to fit it with, I would say, whatever is actually coming up in my week or in my weekend. I looked mainly online, and I've went to a couple of other like providers of hair systems, and I think I decided to choose this one because I felt like very confident in the skills I had, and yeah, kind of like trust, and I feel like very comfortable. You know, seeing the system on your head is such a change. When I was looking at the mirror, I was like, oh, maybe actually I should keep it on for most of my weeks and weekends rather than just like taking out and off. But hey, we'll see how it goes, but I'm definitely happy with the results. I'm comfortable like with myself not having hair, and it's not for me a big issue, but I like to have the option to have hair. I understand that it can also help people to feel more confident in, I would say, their everyday life if they feel like maybe not very good without hair. So far, in terms of maintaining and taking care of the system, it looks or it sounds like quite easy. Just a little bit of like products that you need to use, etc. But I get like all the good advices I think from Ross so far. So and I ask a lot of questions about it, and yeah, I'm quite confident it shouldn't be a problem. Discuss first and have like this open discussion about why I want to wear it, how I want to wear it, what I feel makes me feel better, maybe, and then decide together. And that's what I liked into this whole overall process, that we kind of decided together what we wanted to do. It's giving me the option to decide what I want to look like when I go out, for example, or when I'm going on holiday, or when I'm having like a normal week in London. I can decide on what would actually fit better with, I would say, the weather, myself, my mood. So that's what I think it will make a difference.